Right, here we have it then. It's my latest engine, Wilesco D455. Never seen one of these before, and saw one on eBay, and as usual I have to buy it. This one came with a 12 volt dynamo, so it says. I haven't tested it yet, but we'll do that in a minute, I think. Anyway, let's turn this thing on. Let's go that way, that's it. Slow her down. Oh, sorry. Let's slow her down a bit. I do like to see what it goes at slow speed. It will go a little bit slower than that, but I can't be bothered to keep messing about. Very nice, very smooth. Came without a chimney top. The flywheel was actually hitting the boiler, and the far corner was turned up probably 90 degrees. So it looked to me as if it had been dropped at some time, and but only you see the base has been crudely sprayed up. So anyway, I've straightened that corner out. I've undid everything I could undo there and twisted his body back into shape a bit, and I bought another chimney from Forest Classics, but I took it apart and I've used all the original bits to there, and that's just used the new part, so it's all the original bits in it still except for the top part, which is missing. So all I've got to do really is rub this down, and I'm going to spray it back to the original blue, which the closest I can get to it is it's called Vauxhall Ardent Blue, and it's pearl effervescent metallic. Bit of a mouthful, but I'll be doing that shortly. Anyway, this thing's running at slow speed, as you can see. Gauge fitted on this one. As you can see, that's probably about 12 psi I think in there at the minute. I've got it a bit high because I'm going to be running that dynamo in a minute. Max speed. That's got some run to it, hasn't it? Very nice. Right, let's stop it. Put this down a minute. If you just bear with me. Come here. Right. Get all the very blind here. Right, here we go then. Right, let's turn her on. There we go. As you see, the dynamo works fine. See a nameplate on there. 12 volt dynamo running LED lights by Hog Stirling engine. So, whatever that means. Starting to glimmer, that's the minimum they'll all glow at. As you can see, these curtain fittings, I think, on there holding those bulbs. So I'm going to obviously alter all this and put teak planking on there, proper light fittings. Let's get back a bit. So when that base is put back blue, this will look like dogs. Well, there we go. Very, very nice engine. Wilesco do make some nice engines. And that's it. I'm going to turn that off now. There we go. Wilesco D455. Thank you.